Hi there, my name is Lisa and I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club. I'm coming to you with an unboxing of the July kit. Now, if you aren't familiar with my videos, this is the July kit, and as the kits aren't quite ready to go out yet, they go out at the middle of the month. I only do a partial unboxing, so if you're expecting this kit and you would still like to receive surprises, don't worry too much, I will not be opening everything. Now this month's postcard, there's always a postcard at the start of the kit, was painted by myself and I've had them turned into postcards. These are really good for making dashboards, using obviously in other creative projects, or just popping on your shelf. Now I always keep everything colour coordinated so you can see the colours of the kit here. There's always a mystery gift. I'm going to pop that to one side because it wouldn't be a mystery if I showed you. We have a treat bag here. There's some washi tape, stickers, there's some notes, quite a few bits and pieces. It's quite a big one, heavy one this month. I know many of you say this is your favourite thing, and I know you love surprises, so again I'm not going to show you what's in there. This is the handmade planner clip this month. They're always made by Andy from Andy's Accessories. It's a hot air balloon and goes with the one in the kit. I quite like that. The whole theme this month is seeking adventure, but it doesn't necessarily have to be adventure as in going far away. It's also encouraging you to seek adventure in the everyday, the normal everyday things. That could even be going somewhere new locally to explore, maybe somewhere where you haven't been for a long time, to a park or the woodlands or just something like that. It doesn't have to mean going further afield. I have a really fun DIY project for you. This is something that I really love doing, and there's instructions inside, and there'll be a video and a blog post going up on the 18th of July, so you can see that. So please, if you subscribe, remember to hit the notification, the bell button, so that you do get notified when the videos go up. Few other bits and pieces here. I have an exclusive stamp here, Adventure. Now this was a mistake of mine last month. I'm not going to show you what's inside here, but I did accidentally include this in last month's unboxing. I'm so well organized and I've got everything ready, and it accidentally got put in the May kit. So when I did the unboxing, you will have seen me pop the glassine envelope to one side, and I know a couple of the designers that work for me did get sent theirs as well, and there was an unboxing, so I'm really sorry about that. It didn't match at all with last month's kit, so I've no idea why I didn't even notice when I did my own unboxing, so sorry about that, but you will be getting them in this month's kit. This is mini circle stencil. I really like this. Reminds me of bubbles. So that's the stencil, the exclusive stencil in this month's kit. You've got a lollipop and something else really fun. I am so in love with these die cuts. I'm not going to open them all, but you can get a rough idea of what's going on in there. You've got a couple of clouds, you've got cameras, arrows, you've got some tags, globes, hot air balloons, lots and lots of fun bits and pieces, and there's lots of little tiny ones as well, which I really like. We have got stickers, exclusive stickers for you this month. These are from Beautiful Planning. I love Tash's artwork, she's amazing. Then there's also a bag at the very bottom there. Let's have a look. We have got weekly planner sheets, and we've got the exclusive papers. You've also got calendars for this month and next month, and there's a couple of pieces of exclusive patterned paper that you receive every month, and you get 2 of each. Some maps and arrows. There'll also be codes in here for all the subscribers, so that you can print off the printables for free. You can download them and print them. I haven't actually shown you. Oh, here's one actually. Got one sat here that I'm about to work with. The idea with this one is that it's a journal page, but you've got space for a photograph, so you could include it in scrapbooking or into your creative journals. You can obviously use it in your planners as well. You could use it for doodling, sticking a receipt or a ticket. Be creative with it, use it however you wish. So that's all I'm going to show you. There are other bits obviously that I'm not sharing with you, but I hope you have enjoyed looking through it. It gives you a rough idea of what to expect. As always, there's lots and lots of bits and pieces, and the kits will be going out the middle of July, so I hope you enjoy. I am doing a quick summer sale, a bit of a pop sale. What do you call them? I can't think. But so there is a sale for these, and it's going on right now, so I will link up below the kit so you can take a look, and the code for the sale is SEEK, and that will give you £3 off this kit, but it's only lasting for a couple of days, so get in there quick while they still last. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you don't already, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.